Hey guys, I'm back. How are you? Happy Wednesday. I just feel like doing making some upcycled junk mail envelopes with collage. So you've seen these on my channel before. I use all sorts of stuff, so I'm just playing around today if you'd like to hang out and watch or do it with me. So I first grab junk mail envelopes. I kind of like this big one. I'm gonna use this big one. And I need my cutter. I just cut the envelope down to the size that I want it. So I'm gonna cut it, let's see. And then I cut the top off to open it up. And that's it. Well, that's it for starting. And then I take my glue and I just glue it back together, the side that I cut. I haven't been on here in so long that I'm hoping, oh yeah, my glue still will open. It's not clogged. Crazy. All right. So yeah, I've been in training for my new job. On-call hospice RN. It's been going good. So I have a little bit of time today to craft, which I haven't crafted forever, so I'm so excited. All right, so I was gonna collage with, let's see, actually I need well, I'll use my art glitter glue, I guess. I like to use a strong glue. I was gonna use some mixed media on this one to start. Now, I'm not picky about the window getting slightly covered as I collage, because you'll see that I add kind of like, what's it called? Oh, I can't think of the word. Focal point at some point, like, I'll show you. Like a focal point that goes into the window a little bit. So, it's fine. But I do use washi as I get going, but I like to get some layers down first. You can cut to make it even if you want this to be even on your window. It doesn't bother me. But I know some people like to have their straight, even lines. So yeah, if you're new here, I make art journaly, junk journaly, mixed media, a little bit of everything stuff. I like to play around, particularly with bright colors. Let's see here. I was thinking, would I do all mixed media, or maybe I'll mix it up? I don't know. I'm just gonna play this one by ear, I think. I kind of try to do, try is the word. Add some bigger pieces at first, because I get kind of crazy with the layering. You'll see in a sec. I can link the other videos of me doing these if you'd like. Because yeah, this is one of my go-to mindless, collaging, fun, don't have to do a lot of planning kind of thingy. Let's see. Oh, I got this. This is like a, I don't know what to call it. It might have been like an accidental paper or something. I'm not sure. Let's see. And it's okay if it goes off, I just trim it at the end. But yeah, in the comments, guys, tell me what you've been up to. Oops, I put way too much glue because it's going to stick to my table. What kind of videos you've been watching. What you're into right now, because, I've been MIA for a few weeks, which I totally miss recording and creating more than anything. I do have a whole bin of scrap, what's it called? Scrap painting paper, but this is all right. Let's see. What I might do is mix some scrapbook scraps, because I really love using scraps with this too. I think I'll be fine. Yeah, I am gonna do that. I am a polka dot queen, you guys. I'm obsessed, so I'm gonna add polka dots. Let's see. Oh, that doesn't want to stick, does it? Ooh, but that fits perfectly there. should use a glue stick. Maybe I'll get my glue stick. I don't know. A lot of times I sew around the edges of these, but you don't have to. It just reinforces and looks kind of cool. Like in this one. Yeah, so it's very quiet in my house today. Nothing crazy going on. No winter weather, just normal cold stuff. Let's see here. I need something for this side. Yeah, I really, like I said, I put polka dots. If I had it my way, I'd do polka dots all over. And then I'll use some of my collage fodder and add something as I get closer to the end. So let's see, I just need a little piece for there. Ooh, I'm gonna use this, I dyed this graph paper. That would be perfect for that spot. Let's see, is it? Maybe I'll do it. Let's see. It's like a puzzle. Do it there, I guess. So, yeah. One more little bit up here. Oh, I've got this scrap of map. I'm definitely gonna, I love map stuff, so I'm gonna do the map. Oh, it's upside down. I'm gonna do the map. I should probably do that spot first though. Oh, I got this paper. Oops, I'm making a mess. Shoot. I'm gonna use some of this paper. It's got words on it. I don't know what it says, but let's see. I'll put it right there. So yeah, my dogs have missed you. Charlie and Henry, they're both laying down right, well, to my right. But if I say something, you know, they're gonna start being crazy. Maybe they'll make their appearance. Okay, so I'm gonna do that. And then the fun starts, well, this is fun too, but adding some pretty fun washi. So there's my base covered. I don't know if I got enough glue on there. Next time I'll use a glue stick, I think. All right, so then I just go around and cut off the extra, which I have to find my scissors that I lost already. Oh, here they are. And I'll be right back. Okay, so now is the washi tape time. Let's see. I have my go-tos, but I really like polka dots, like I said. So let's do. I always add a little bit of glue to the back of my washi because it just doesn't stick for very long. I just add it any which way, no rhyme or reason. I got a bunch of new washi, so I'm trying to grab a fun one. This one's got flowers. These haven't been started, so let's see. Maybe I'll put it, like that, maybe? I don't know. Another one that hasn't been started, but I think this theme of this washi pack is like floral botanical, which is basically my favorite theme. One of these days I do want to start a botanical journal once I have more time off, which this weekend I should be starting my weekend rotation. I should start having more weekdays off to film and craft. But anyway, you can go crazy with the washi, you can do more, but I want to add a focal point. So this is where I just, this is one of my bins, you guys, of collage fodder. Look at these birds. If you're not familiar with my playlist of collage fodder, I'll put it in the video description, but it's basically making all these handmade pieces. I'm obsessed. I'm trying to come up with another thing that we can do that I can demonstrate and then put on camera for you guys. This I made with a magazine piece, I believe. I kind of like it. I usually try a few things, but I'm pretty sure I like that. But I'll take hearts but I like this. So maybe we should do some more magazine collage fodder. I know it's not my favorite either, but once it's in use, it's kind of cute. Like this. This is cute. Oops. Let's see. My goal is not to have like tons open in the window. That's just, it's whatever, but all right. Make sure it's stuck down. And then I do have a video where I did some stamping on watercolor, so I made labels. So, if this was going to like a friend, you could put like hello on it. I have inspire, happy. I don't always use a word, but I think I'm going to for this one. I think this spot looks okay. So this went from basically an ugly junk mail thing to this. And you can decorate the back. Oftentimes I don't. Maybe if I have a piece of paper big enough for this, I could, but to cover the back. I generally don't. I don't mind some of the back being like kind of natural and rustic. That's just my preference. But then sometimes, I keep saying sometimes, you can add doodles with your whatever tools you have. I don't know, I can't talk because it's been a while maybe. Trying to find a black one. Let's see. I just don't want to regret it. Let's see. Trying to do just like a little heart, but it did turn out very well. I might do. I feel like you can't really ever go wrong with dashes and dots. It's like, do I keep going or maybe I will. Sewing, if I sew, it'll cover this, but it's okay. Kind of like the dashes at the moment. I'm not going to go over those gold dots. Kind of cute. And then what my favorite part is the sound. Yeah, so that could be like clipped or tucked into a journal. It is kind of wide because I cut it that way, but it could be if you're in Happy Mail groups. All the things. I just like making them. I don't always have to have a purpose for things I make. You should see my already made boxes in my craft room. Hundreds of things. Gosh, look at this. But I like to look at it. So, yeah, give me ideas on what you guys want to do. I'm going to keep this video short because I haven't put one up in a while. And I would like it to upload today, and Wednesdays are slow, but yeah, so glad to have the time to sit down and do something crafty. But guys, I will see you later. If you're new here, please subscribe, give my video a thumbs up. I'll see you later. Bye.